Newton was not enough, so I have the entire Kolkata now. Yes. So this is the entire Kolkata, right? You can see. Of course, before we even zoom in, this is the 42, right? I'll go here. It won't take a lot of cognitive effort in order to recognize this is Maidan, this is the 42. And you want to see Eden Garden, look, you can see Eden Garden from the top, Eden Garden, right? Everything over here, the roads and everything are under construction. Yeah, I think Urbana, a lot of you'll be able to see Urbana as well. If some city planner is watching this, please consider funding this project so we can take it on a next level together. So this is whole of Kolkata, both urban and suburban. This is the Ganges, the separate Ganga river is like the holy side. Howrah and side is the other side. So yeah, any enthusiast who wants to make GTA Kolkata, I think they are also welcome. I'm really having a lot of fun. So anyone who wants to add something to it, add your contributions, for this, make this more and more interesting.